Hello and welcome to At Home with Anita Rosner. Today I'm going to show you how to make the most delicious barbecue chicken ever. I know that's a big claim, but trust me, you will love it. It's going to be juicy, it's going to be tender, it's going to be cooked to perfection. So I'm going to fire up the grill and then we're going to go in the kitchen and get started. I started with a whole chicken cut into 8 pieces, and then I brined it in buttermilk and poultry seasoning. Start with a quart of buttermilk, whisking in 2 tablespoons of poultry seasoning. Add your chicken pieces to a resealable bag, pour in the brine, and refrigerate for at least 1 hour, but overnight is better. So this has been sitting overnight. And side note, if your poultry seasoning does not have salt, add a tablespoon of salt. So now this has been sitting out for about 40 minutes, so it's at room temperature. We call that tempering. I'm just gonna lay these out and pat them dry. I don't think I have to tell you this, but you discard the brine. You can't use it for anything. All right, as I said, we're just gonna pat these dry. The grill is on its highest setting. That is very important. If you're doing this with charcoal, I will explain the process down in the description. Okay, this is ready, so now let's get it out on the grill. I like to start with a grill spray. I find it's very useful. If you want a suggestion on what to get, I will also put a link of that down in the description. Now, we're going to start by placing the chicken skin side up. And your white meat will cook faster than the dark meat, so you want it on the periphery so it's not the hottest part of the grill. Side up. Now you're going to reduce the heat to low, close it, and set a timer for 15 minutes. It's been 15 minutes, so we're going to turn it over. I like to keep a spatula handy just in case it gets stuck a little. We don't want to pull off the skin. Close it back up. 15 minutes more. We want to check the temperature. It must reach an internal temperature of 165. The breasts have a little more to go. They're pretty big. So at this point, we're going to put on that delicious barbecue sauce. Some of these have some char on it. That's totally fine. That gives it actually more flavor. Turn these over now and give them 5 more minutes on this side. It's time for the final flip. Five more minutes. So there it is. The best barbecue chicken ever. Serve this with potato salad, some coleslaw, maybe some corn on the cob, a little watermelon for dessert, and you have the perfect summer barbecue. Now, a couple of tips about grilling. After you're done cooking your chicken, turn the heat on your grill back up to high and leave it for 5 minutes. This will cook off anything, so it'll be easier to clean. And speaking of cleaning, I'm just going to share this with you. This is a Q swiper. This thing really works to clean up your grill, which is why I'm recommending it to you. They don't pay me. I use it all the time. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, become a subscriber, and leave a comment for me. I always love to hear from you. Join me again next time right here at home with Anita Rosner. Thanks for watching.